According to an airline's public relations department, 90% of people who lose their luggage on a flight will be reunited with it the next day. However, a Consumer Reports study showed that only 103 out of 122 people were reunited with their lost luggage in the time told by the company. Does this cast doubt on the company's claim?
To start, we need to identify our hypotheses. The null hypothesis, or original claim, is that p is equal to 0.9. The alternative hypothesis, or new claim, is that p is less than 0.9. Now we have to be sure that all conditions are satisfied. First, the 10% condition. 122 people are definitely less than 10% of all people who fly. Next is success or failure, which is found by multiplying p by n and then q by n. 122 times 0.9 equals 109.8, and nq is 122 times 0.1, which is 12.2. Both of these are greater than 10, making the success-failure condition satisfied. Next, we have the independence condition. Each passenger who receives their luggage is independent from the next. Finally, randomization. It is stated in the problem that the people chosen were chosen randomly. Because all conditions have been satisfied, it is okay to continue with our model.
Now we can continue with our model. P hat is what the study found P to be. The standard deviation is the square root of P hat times Q hat divided by n. The z-score is used to find the p-value. P equals 0.0201. Now we draw the model. P is the probability of this happening without any outside factors. There is a 2% chance this would occur based on the null hypothesis. Based on the low p-value, the null hypothesis is rejected. There is strong evidence to support that less than the claimed 90% of people who lose their luggage are reunited with it within 24 hours.
So now we know that the 90% claim is in fact untrue, but how can we figure out what the actual percent is?
To do this, we create a 98% confidence interval. Since all conditions have been met, it's okay to proceed and create the confidence interval. 109.2 is our expected value, plus or minus 2.33, which is our z-score, plus or times the margin of error, which is the 0.90 times 0.10 over 122 square rooted. We are 98% confident that the true number of people who receive their bags will be between 102.99 and 103.01.